Hey guys, so I'm in the shop this morning. Got the puppy. We are working on the farm truck. This inside door handle broke off. Dad had started with it. He had to go to a meeting. So I'm just watching a YouTube video telling me how to do this. Just gotta take these two screws out and then I think we're gonna be able to pull this door panel off. I think I got all the screws out. Just one little cable I have to detach. It actually comes with a drill bit, so you can drill out the rivets that are on here. YouTube videos are definitely a big help with stuff like this. Then I don't have to read the directions. Glad there's people out there filming themselves and posting on YouTube. Can't imagine doing that myself. It's kind of weird. Put these two things back on first. And just get pushed in.
Yeah, there's one here. Yeah, there you go. There it clipped. Okay, see if it works. The trial, there it goes. Okay. $105 later, that's what it was for that new latch.
I'm on right on top of it, in the middle of it. Yeah. So we drove down to our heifer farm. We're looking at this conveyor situation. We're gonna try and get that one extended. We need a 35-foot conveyor to go from there the whole way inside. So we feed them at that bunk feeder over there. Don't really have a place to drive the mixer in and run feed out. It's really our best bet is to get that feed onto the conveyor system and just run it out. So I unhooked this 7130 from the spreader. I want to move that disc right there. I haven't dug any dirt since last week because it was wet. We want to dig out some fill dirt, pile it right there, and I need to get the disc out of the way. Got our burn pile right there, and then we have an empty area that we just have this disc parked. I actually should get that roller out of the way first. That's on the other side. This is the last of our tillage equipment that barely gets used. Really need a second person to hold this up while I back up to it. Gotta find something to prop it on. I remember using that roller as a kid. We'd hook it up to the field cultivator before planting corn, roll that behind it, smooth everything out, pack it down. We haven't really used it in the field in probably 10 years, something like that. We like our no-till farming now. Last time we used this disc was at the building site, drying out dirt around that new heifer barn. And you might remember it had a low tire back then, still haven't fixed it. Kind of a pain to hook up. I got the hydraulics on so I could lift it. Now I gotta get this hitch up, it's kind of heavy. We'll let these sit in the bunker silo over the summer. That way we don't have weeds growing around them. I'll park this tractor in the shed and then we'll grab the skid loader and start digging some dirt. Dad's ready to feed cows. He needs a skiddy back. Just chase a few cows up. My dad's getting started feeding the dairy cows. I have to feed the heifers at the other farm. I also need to go pick up some calf feed. We get it 2 skids at a time, a ton. Use the pickup. Get that nice door handle. Wow, fancy. I'm gonna grab myself a beverage quick. Clover Farms chocolate milk. We've been shipping to Clover for a long time. It's a good local company. If you live in the area, get yourself some good Clover Farms chocolate milk. We always take the pallets from the last time back with us. That way they don't charge us for them. It's loud. We feed the calf grain to the youngest heifers in this barn after they get moved out as well. So I'll get the other pallet in here. Might as well sleep that feed in too while I'm here. Lately, the heifers have been getting these gates open sometimes. I guess they're able to lick these latches enough that they open up. Well, I'm gonna go feed the heifers. If I have time, then I'll unload this. I just parked the truck in the shop so that if I don't get it unloaded today, it won't get rained on or something. I don't think it's supposed to rain anyway. Well, my camera's about to die. I'm gonna run silage in, critical out of this silo, just about empty.